Hello everyone, welcome to GATE Academy. How are you all? I suppose you all are doing well. So in this post-GATE guidance series, I welcome you all to this session of IIT BHU. Okay, so Indian Institute of Technology BHU, a very good college being located in the city of Varanasi. So you can see the beautiful picture of this college. Alright, so regarding IIT BHU, I will be telling you the important dates, what is the application fees for MTech especially, what is the basic eligibility criteria, in which of the branch you can do your MTech, so I will be talking about civil engineering, okay. What is the cutoff as per the previous GATE score, what is the MTech fees and what are the some important points. Important dates, first of all let me tell you, let me give you one idea that application of IIT BHU started yesterday. So today is 29th of March when I am shooting this video, and yesterday, that means 28th of March, the online application for IIT BHU has been started. So you should know the date, that is 28th of March. And this is going to end till 15th of March. This is going to end till 15th of March. Sorry, 15th of April. So 28th March is the starting date, 15th April is the end date. So yesterday only the application started. Okay, application fees is 300 rupees. Eligibility I will tell you, but you should remember these dates. Now these dates can be extended, but try to fill your application within these dates only, okay? Okay. So last year it was 24th March and this year it is 28th March. This is 28th March. Last year it was ended on 10th of April. This year it is going to end on 15th of April. Okay. And these both the criteria remain same. There is a possibility that after the cutoff selection they will call you for a written test and an interview that is going to held in the end week of May to the first week of June or end week of June. For 1 month this procedure is going to be held on, and then there will be a spot round. Okay, if you need admission and if your cutoff score is not satisfying the criteria, then you have to apply for the spot round also, and that spot round is going to held on July, and in the mid of July only the semester is going to begin. Okay, remember these dates. These are the online application dates for IIT BHU. Okay, moving further. So as I have told you, for general category, EWS, OBC or other category, especially for male candidates, the application fees for which you have to apply, if you are filling the application form for IIT BHU, you have to submit the application fees of rupees 300 if you are a male candidate. For female candidate, directly 50%, rupees 150. Now if you are an SC, ST or PD candidate, you have to submit rupees 150. Okay, so you can see the application fees. So when you are doing the online application, you have to submit the fees of rupees 300, or for female candidates 150, for SC, ST category it is 150. What is the minimum eligibility criteria that should be satisfied before applying for the admission? Okay, if you are planning to do MTech teaching assistantship, for BTech you should have a minimum of 60% in your BTech. If you are a general category student, if you are SC, ST student, you should have a minimum of 55% of grade, 55% you should have in your BTech. If I talk about grade point, 6 point out of 10 and 5.5 out of 10 you should have. If you are doing BTech with a centrally funded technical institute, if your score is less than, grade point is less than 8, then definitely GATE score is also required. If the grade point is 8, then it is not required for CFTI, Centrally Funded Technical Institute. If now you are trying to apply for MTech in IIT BHU and you are having a grade point of 8 or more than 8, then GATE is not required. But if you are having the grade point less than 8, then definitely you have to apply for GATE exam also. Okay, how you can apply? Through COAP, Common Offer Acceptance Portal. This is the minimum requirement. At least you should have filled this form, COAP. You have to do the registration in COAP you have to apply the registration number in application form also. So when you are filling the application of IIT BHU, there you have to enter or you have to enter there. All right. These are the basic requirement. Now if I talk about the basic core branches of civil engineering in which you can apply for MTech: structural engineering, hydraulics and water resource, geotech, environmental engineering, transportation, geoinformatics and geoscience. These are the core branches. Apart from these branches, there might be some interdisciplinary branches also. So when you are filling the form, there the multiple branches will be shown to you in which you can apply. Okay. So work out accordingly. So in the website for 2021, the entire detail was not being mentioned. So just I brought the civil engineering cutoff. For general category 660, in 2020 it was 549. Okay, in 2020 it was 549, and in 2019 it was 650, which is a good cutoff score. Here you can see this might be for structural engineering only. I think so. This is for structural engineering only. So here you can see the gate cutoff score is quite high. Okay. So if you are having a gate score in the range of 600 to 650 also, then also I think so you should apply in this branch. Okay. You should take a chance because it's a good college. I was talking about general category. You know your gate score, you know your category. You can tally your category and gate score also, and you can apply accordingly. Okay. Now coming to the important concept, that is fees payment. So here you can see that semester fees is rupees 16,350. So each semester you have to pay a total of 16,350, which is a less amount. 16,350 is a less amount. One time payment during the time of admission. This includes your caution money also. This includes the tuition fees also, rupees 4,250. Now if I total each and everything, you get a total of 29,965. In any case, from the semester fees you want the refund, they will refund you rupees 9,000 only. Okay, they are going to refund you rupees 9,000 only. So make note of this. Okay. Now for SC/ST category, you have to pay a fees of rupees 6,050 only. Here it is 16,350. Here it is 6,050. Okay. This is an additional advantage. Okay, this is an additional advantage if you belong to the family of institute staff. Okay, if you are planning to do MTech in IIT BHU and some of your parents or family member are working there already, then you have to pay a fees of 10,700. This I am talking about semester fees only. I am talking about semester fees only. So this much of total fees you have to pay in each semester, but initially during the time of admission, this much amount of fees extra you have to pay. This is with respect to caution money and tuition fees. So as you know, teaching assessmentship, that is MTech. If I talk about MTech, this is a plan of 2 years. So first year you have to do the coursework, and the second year is entirely dedicated for your thesis work. Or after first year you may have the probability to select your guide, or you can select your guide in the mid semester also. That depends upon the college to college. Each and every month you are expecting a monthly stipend of rupees 12,400 by MHRD. Okay, gate cutoff score is very high, but not as high as compared to old IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi. There the cutoff was extremely high. Here it is high. Alright, there is a possibility that after getting a call from IIT BHU, you have to apply for a written test followed by an interview, then only you are going to get selected. Last year this happened in the month of May. Last week of May this happened. This year also it is going to happen in the month of May only. Definitely you have to work very hard for thesis because it is an IIT, that too a good IIT. You may have a proper chance of placement. You may get a good placement if you are doing your good thesis work. If you are having good relationship with your guide, he is also going to help you out in your future endeavors. Okay. So just have a good idea regarding IIT BHU, and if you want to know something else, you can visit the website of iitbhu.ac.in. Now if I talk about, once again I am repeating the online application date, that is 28th of March. Yesterday it is being applied, and now it is going to end till 15th of April. So today when I am shooting this video, today is 29th of March. So yesterday they launched their online application. 300 rupees is the online application fees that you have to pay using SBI portal. Like IIT Mandi, here also you have to do the payment for online application through SBI portal, that is online SBI portal. So once you visit the website of IIT BHU, they have provided the link of SBI portal also. There you have to select the state. Depending upon the state, you have to select the category for which you are paying the fees. You have to select MTech, research work. Then you have to pay the rupees 300 if you are a male student, rupees 150 if you are a female candidate, rupees 150 if you are a SC/ST candidate. Okay? Okay, so this was all about IIT BHU. I wish you all the best. Thank you everybody.